Your smartphone is more vulnerable than you think. If someone steals your phone, your sensitive data could be exposed. Here's how you can protect your sensitive data and minimize the risks if your phone falls into the wrong hands. Number 1. Secure your lock screen. Modern smartphones like Android and iPhones offer full disk encryption, but it only works effectively if a lock screen is enabled. Strengthen your lock screen to make it your first line of defense against unauthorized access. First, enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quick and secure access. As a backup, use a strong alphanumeric passcode instead of a simple PIN or pattern to make it harder to guess. Lastly, set your screen to lock immediately after inactivity to minimize the time your phone is exposed. Number 2. Turn off lock screen notifications. Lock screen notifications can reveal sensitive information, such as OTPs or personal messages, even when your phone is locked. Disable them to protect your privacy. Scan these QR codes to know how to do it in Android or iOS. Number 3. Activate phone tracking. If your phone is lost or stolen, tracking tools like Find My iPhone and Find My Device can help you locate it, even without an active internet connection. These tools use Bluetooth and nearby devices to update the location or rely on the last known location stored. Opt in for these features to ensure you can track your device effectively and act quickly. Scan these QR codes to know how to do it in Android or iOS. Number 4. Minimize the use of sensitive apps. Avoid exposing sensitive data on your phone through certain apps. Limit usage of banking and financial apps and only keep apps you frequently need on the go. If you must use these apps, enable biometric locks or app-specific PINs for additional security. Also, always log out or kill the app after every session and avoid saving credentials on your apps. For sensitive tasks, consider using a more secure device such as a home computer. Number 5. Back up your data regularly. Regularly backing up your data ensures you don't lose important data in case of theft or device failure. You can use inbuilt backup options in Android or iOS, but to enhance privacy, do manual backups to secure locations, such as encrypted external drives instead of relying entirely on cloud services. By following these essential steps, you can greatly minimize the chances of your mobile data falling into the wrong hands in the event of theft. Even if you can't recover your phone, you can rest easier knowing your sensitive information is secure.